Okay guys, welcome to the final video of this session. This is connecting your domain to your web host. There's a few things you need to do in this video. You need to get your hands dirty with this video. So let's get started. You need to find your Namecheap username and password and log into the Namecheap website where you registered your domain. The next thing you need to do is find your WHM login information. This was sent to you by email through your web hosting company, which was HostGator. We recommended in the last video. We gave you this awesome 25% discount. So if you have those two things, log in to your Namecheap account and your WHM account, which you'll find the login credentials in an email that was sent to you by your web hosting company. So after you logged into your web host manager, it's going to look something like this. Maybe confusing to some people. The first thing you need to do, and ignore all those options. The thing is, web hosting sometimes gets confusing only because there's so many options and you don't know the specifics to get down to and the specifics to look out for. This is why I'm here. This is why I'm gonna explain it in the most basic way for you guys. Get your website going, have full control of it. First thing you need to do is create packages. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is click packages, then click add package. And over here, it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. If you don't understand anything that's here, just find out more about it. But there's not much you need to fill out in this section. You need to give this a package name. This is how much space that's available in this package. Just go with 10,000. Monthly bandwidth, that's how many people could visit your website. Do 10,000. If you got a reseller account, you'll be fine with this. Unlimited FTP accounts, unlimited email addresses. You might not really even need those things, but there's no reason to limit them. So just make sure unlimited is always checked on here. Next thing you need to do is click create and your account is created, guys. It's that simple. Now the next thing you need to do is create an account for your website. An account on the hosting server for your website. What you need to do is click account functions here, then click create new account. This create new account window will show up. Over here, just add yourwebsite.com. It's going to give you a username and it's going to give you a password. Type in your password and type in your email address. Now select the package that you have already created here. This was the package that we created to give the specs, how much space and how much bandwidth we're going to allow this domain to handle. Okay, very simple. Just choose that package you created. Now over here, it's very important to remember this information you place here is going to become your FTP information. So take note of that and write it down. This username is going to be your FTP username and this password is going to be your FTP password. Okay, now scroll down to the page and you're going to notice DNS settings. Those are the DNS settings that you need to log in to your domain registrar Namecheap and change. Okay, so let's go ahead to Namecheap and change the DNS settings inside of Namecheap so it points to the server before we create the domain name on our web host manager. Okay, hope you guys understood this. Let's do it right now. Okay, so you log into Namecheap, you click on my account, manage domains, then you find the domain you want to modify the DNS settings for. You click transfer DNS to web host because that's what you want to do. You want to point that domain to your web host. Scroll down the page and enter the DNS settings you found in create account in your web host manager. Now click Save Settings. And now your domain name is pointed to your servers. Okay? Let's get back to the servers. This is the DNS name. This domain is already pointed to this server. So once I create this, it's already going to be linked. So I go ahead, click create, and your domain is created. Remember, the username here and the password will also become your FTP credentials. So keep that on file. Make sure you have it stored in a safe area. Now, if you go to your website, everything should be functional and you should be good to go. Okay? If you guys have any questions, please leave it in the comments in the members area and I'll be sure to answer your questions. Okay? Okay guys, here you have it. You already know how to register a domain name. You already know how to sign up for a hosting account that you have full control of. You know how to create your packages, know how to add your own domain names. It's time to move on to adding files to that FTP account, getting your website going, start making some money online, start helping people online. Whatever your niche is online, please take a look at some of our other videos. I'm sure I could offer some help. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and I'll see you on the other side. Take care.